Like most cooks, I'm pretty obsessed with my cookbook collection, especially those ones written by Australian authors. So I thought I'd do a segment called Australian Cookbook Club. I'm going to start with the first cookbook I ever bought, Stephanie Alexander's The Cookbook Companion. Oh, I love this one. I actually got to cater the book launch in Brisbane for Maggie Bear's Christmas. This is a very special book for me by Christine Mansfield. I actually got onto MasterChef making a recipe from this book. Maybe we'll do a little bit of Miguel. I'm going to have to do something by Neil Perry. A little scared by this one. Peter Gilmore, the recipes are really difficult. I've always wanted to try one of George Columbaris' recipes. Maybe something sweet, something from Zumbo. Another one by the amazing Christine Mansfield. I desperately want to try one of her desserts. I think I might do one from my friend Kumar, who I did MasterChef with. He's got an amazing family cookbook, all with pictures he's drawn himself. Couple of new cookbooks, MasterChef's Reynolds, I'll have to do one from that. This one I've just got, Recipe Tin Eats. Beautiful stuff in there. And of course, this is the newest one I've bought, First Nations Food Companion. Really looking forward to trying that. So if you've got any ideas or recipes you'd like me to cook, let me know.